had the slow music of it.
Okay, the wind is pumping off the side, but I'm flying sideways, and it is really bumpy.
Hey guys, Gareth here. Sunday 6 AM, we're gonna go flying, meeting a couple of guys, waiting for Zion, my hangar mate, and whoever else is coming from Stellies. Then we're gonna meet a couple of guys at Bushplane. Let's go.
Baby, we're climbing today. It's myself and Dion. We're off to meet a couple of other guys to go flying. It is a little windy today, so we'll just have to sort of see how that goes. Okay, the wind is pumping off the side. Stellenbosch, there was like literally no wind, but I'm flying sideways, and it is really bumpy. Obviously because we're on the leeward side of the mountain, but yeah, it's definitely not smooth. So we'll just probably have to reevaluate things once we get to Bushplane. Gonna final for Bushplane. We're meeting Sion. I don't know if Tina and Craig are gonna be there, but we'll check it out. Because I'm flying sideways on final again, I can see the runway like out the door. And dodging birds. Bushplane traffic is also saying 1 second. Check on my khaki shot final. That's another. Quite a crosswind, so this might be fun taking off. Give us a call, like on my Yankee rolling, and we're going to try and get air for skydivers. Fox 15 is a little rolling. Give us a call. It is really windy today, so our plan is to try and stay clear of the area because there's skydivers out. So we're going to route to coffee shop and see sort of what that looks like. For the visual 1 mile south of the coffee shop.
Okay, I'm above the coffee shop. The wind is totally crosswind, and it's approximately 25 kilometers an hour.
And so the wind is pretty cross. I don't think it's too much of a problem, but let me know what you guys think. I've got you inside, enjoy.
I had the slow music of it.
The song was coming out like
Hallo? Wat zei je?
die wenken is er nog wel even liggen net met
How was your landing?
I think I made it worse than it was.
Okay, so today didn't really turn out as planned. The wind is topping out today, which the forecast says it shouldn't, but anyway, you never know. So we just had coffee and now I'm routing back to Stellenbosch and we'll be landing runway 01, which potentially could be a bit of a crosswind, but we'll have a look. So I'm about 5 miles out of Stellenbosch, 1,800, and then we'll do the normal joining procedure.